In this short video, I'll show you how to unarchive an Instagram story quickly and easily. If you've ever archived a story by mistake or want to bring back an old one, you might be wondering if there's a way to restore it to your profile. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't offer a direct unarchive button, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the best methods for reposting archived stories and making them look brand new. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. Stay with me until the end to learn how to find, save, and rehair Instagram stories from your archive without losing quality. Now, let's get started. The first method is to locate your archived stories through Instagram's built-in archive feature. This feature lets you view and manage past stories that were automatically saved after they expired. To start, open the Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Next, tap the three-line menu at the top right corner, then select Archive. Make sure you're viewing the story's archive by checking the top of the screen. Here, you'll see all your past stories that have been automatically saved. If you want to rehair an archived story, simply tap on it, then tap Share at the bottom. However, keep in mind that it will display with a From Archive label, indicating it's a repost. If you want to make it look fresh, try the next method. If you prefer a clean re-upload without the archive tag, here's what you need to do. First, open the story archive using the method stated earlier, find the story you want, and tap on it. Then, tap the three dots at the bottom right and select Save Photo or Video. This will download the story to your device, allowing you to re-upload it as a brand new story. To re-upload, go back to the home screen and tap the plus icon at the top or swipe right to open the story camera. Select the saved story from your gallery, add any new stickers, text, or effects, and then tap Share to your story. This method makes it look like a fresh post without any archive tag. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech tips. Now let's continue with another method. If you don't want to fully repost an archived story but still want it visible, you can add it to a highlight instead. To do this, from the archive, tap on the story you want, then select Highlight at the bottom. Choose an existing highlight or create a new one, and your story will be displayed on your profile permanently. These are great methods to unarchive an Instagram story. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. Check the description below and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for tuning in.